IKONN SB-1 bathroom scale. Place the scale on a hard, level and flat surface. Press down on the center of the platform lightly with your foot to initialize the measurement and lift your foot off. From now on you can step on the scale directly and the weight will display. Your weight will be displayed for about 10 seconds, and then the unit will switch off automatically. To use SB-1 with the IKONN controller for the first time, use the Add New Product entry.
To add a new accessory product, place it close by. Turn on the new product and then press OK to connect it. Searching.
Once the search is commenced, IKONN will scan the room for about 10 seconds before listing all found products.
New product found. Bathroom scale.
After your product is added, you will have a new entry in your main menu called Bathroom Scale.
Bathroom scale. Place the scale on a firm surface. Press OK to begin weighing, then step onto the scale. Stay still until you hear a beep. Weight 83.1 kilograms. You can use the arrow buttons to switch between announcing weight in kilograms and pounds.
In order to hear your BMI, first set your height in the settings menu and confirm with OK press.
Settings. Bathroom scale. Set user height for BMI calculation in bathroom scale function. Use the arrow buttons to adjust height and press OK to confirm.
You can then go back to the bathroom scale app to hear your BMI measurement.
BMI 24.9.
Use the unit button underneath the scale to change the units displayed on screen. Changing the units displayed on the screen will not automatically change the units used when IKONN announces measurements. To change this, switch between metric and imperial units in the settings menu of your IKONN device.
Change between metric and imperial measurement units. Metric units set. Imperial units. Imperial units set.
The scale takes 3 AAA batteries. To insert these, remove the battery hatch on the back with your fingers. Check the direction of the batteries, with the flat end of the batteries resting on the springs. After inserting the batteries, close the compartment. If your scale already came with the batteries, then just gently pull the protective piece of plastic out from the hatch. For additional support, visit ikonn.info website. Thank you for watching.